You see these fucking eyes, bro? You see these eyes? They've got blackheads under them because I've been staying up till 4 a.m. to watch this fucking shit. This nonsense. Goalless draw after goalless draw after goalless draw. What fucking nonsense is this? What bloody nonsense? Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, it's time. It's time to bid adieu. Just take your Hartley Potley, go wherever the fuck you came from. Okay? Go back to Norway, go back to coaching Cardiff. I don't give a shit. Okay? This club is not meant for you. You can't handle the pressure. Sure, you had some impressive runs, but that ends now. You need to get us results, which you are not getting. So fuck off. Please. The way that you are treating some of the players also is fucking horrible. Just absolute horrible. Okay? I just have no words, no empathy towards you. No more defense towards you. You're done. Just fuck off. And I would be damned if they renew your contract for another 5 bloody years to watch this shit. Goalless draw after goalless draw. This is what we are paying your jerseys and buying the jerseys for? To watch this shit? They might as well just carve the Manchester City name on the Premier League trophy now. 14 fucking points clear. 14. You think we are going to catch up to that? It's theoretically impossible also now. Your tactics suck. Your mindset, your mentality, everything about you fucking sucks. End of the match, the players are bloody hugging the other players. They're hugging the Crystal Palace players. The manager is smiling. For what bloody fucking reason? It's a fucking 0-0 draw. That's what you should be happy about? You motherfucker. What fucking mentality do you have, dude? You're at Manchester United. You should be fucking ashamed of yourself. Have you seen Bruno Fernandes, how he's on the pitch? The fuck is wrong with you? And it's not like we were playing good. Sure, first 20 minutes we played good. And Matic was also playing good today. Other than that, what other positives are there? What other fucking positives? The only positive today is that we didn't lose. Which, to be honest, I wanted us to. I wanted us to lose. Because then only the players will wake the fuck up. Everyone is bloody sleeping or dying or something fucking else. Bad do you have to be to draw with fucking Crystal Palace? Crystal Palace, I mean, for fuck's sake. Fuck's sake. I could understand if it's a draw against the Big Six, which is not an excuse, but it's somewhat okay in this scenario as compared to a draw to Crystal Palace. In the early days, during Fergie time, in the first half only, it would be enough to crush these motherfuckers in the first half. And now, 90 minutes and 110 minutes also not enough. What more? What is there to say? Fucking pathetic, man. Pathetic. Lethargic performance. The players seem out of it. The manager is fucking clueless. And that Fred, I don't know what the fuck has gotten into him. One ball he can't play. One he can't ball he can't shoot properly. Simply he's running around like a headless chicken. Part is the players themselves, they seem happy about it. After the match, you could see them hugging the Crystal Palace players. What the fuck are you so content about? What the fuck? You should be bloody kicking yourself in the nuts because of this performance. First game of the season, these guys thrashed us 3-1, I believe at Old Trafford. And now we can't even bloody score a goal against them. How fucking terrible do you have to be to get this result? How fucking terrible? Ole is gone. Ole is gone. We've depended far too long on Bruno Fernandes. That Bruno juice has run out. New stock also is not coming in. The new players are not getting featured. Diallo and Shoratire are on the bench only. They are warming the bench. So when Donny comes, they'll replace the seats and they'll sit over there. 3 musketeers on the bench. The manager is not going to give them any game time. If he gives also Carabao Cup, FA Cup, 5 minutes he'll give them. As if giving out candy on Halloween. Motherfucker, what fucking mentality, bro? What mentality is this? This is a top fucking club and you're making it look like we should have been 70th in the table. I have no bloody idea how we are in the top 4 also. Look at our record. Look at the number of draws that we have gotten. Going unbeaten with draws holds no merit. Okay? Look at City. Look at their winning streak. All WWW. Everything. And we, either L or D. Loda. Nothing bloody else. Conference, I'm just waiting to hear Ole's excuses now. Oh, there was too much fog in the air and the players were wearing white jerseys. Hence they could not see each other. Wow. What a fucking original excuse you gave, no, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer? Give me credits, okay? Because I gave you this suggestion. Give me some royalties as well. Just done, fed up with this club. Really, this season has been highs and lows, but mostly lows. This is a bloody seesaw that on one end there is a fat person. And that fat person is not refusing to get up. That's been our season. Manchester United is that fat person. They are always on the low end. God fucking help us against City. God help us. They're going to clobber us, mark my words. It's either that or a dull 0-0 draw. But City have nothing to be afraid of. They'll just counter. Their centre backs only will score goals and go. Fucking pathetic. Just done. Just fed up.